So starting the test drive in this Pathfinder Platinum, love the V6. It's just a very strong engine, and especially paired with this transmission, does a great job at getting up to speed. And then also with the 9 speeds, you get pretty good highway fuel economy at 27 miles per gallon. So just an impressive setup here for it to not have anything special. You don't need a turbocharger for this. Don't necessarily need a CVT to get maximum fuel economy, even though that would help possibly, but I'm just glad that there's a traditional transmission here. Especially with having these paddle shifters, you get actual shifts as opposed to those manual modes that you have when you have the paddle shifters with a CVT. Now in terms of the ride quality and then also just the cabin acoustics in here, pretty good so far. Now, I haven't really gotten up to speed yet, so we'll be able to tell on the interstate, but right now it's impressive how smooth this is riding, how smooth it's driving, and then just how quiet it is in here. Now for the money, I do think this is, like I said earlier, a decent buy just because it's under 52 grand. You have a sunroof, adaptive cruise control and navigation, heated cooled seats, a heated steering wheel, and then you have pretty good seating for up to 7 passengers. And I do need to make a correction. You do have, with this not having the captain's chairs, you have seating for up to 8 passengers. So it's even better if you need room for 4 or 5 kids, or maybe a dog too. But we're gonna take it on the interstate here, give it a little pull, see how it does. So pretty agile coming around that corner here. I'm gonna slow down and then give it a pull. So relatively quick, and it just feels so nice because there's no turbo here. There's a 9-speed automatic transmission, just makes a lot of sense. But it is great that you get 20 miles per gallon city, 27 highway. You have this driver aid system here with the lane centering as well as the adaptive cruise. But this is actually not boring to drive, which is saying a lot because a lot of SUVs these days, they're not fun to drive. But with this one, again, having a 9-speed automatic, paddle shifters, all that comes with this model in particular just makes it more enjoyable to drive or to take a longer road trip in. And then we also have high beam assist if you need that on the longer journey and you're driving at night. So just a lot of features with this Platinum. And if you don't necessarily need the room of the Armada or something similar like a Tahoe, then this is really a good way to carry everything you need to without spending 70, 80 grand to get everything that you want. But still an impressive SUV. And this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2024 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum.